Hi guys, this is the smallest speaker which ever bought actually released in India. This is actually a 3-watt speaker, and okay, as you can see now, this is only this much. Okay, and it's only, if I keep it like this, it will be only like this only. This is the only size it have, and it actually cost around 700 rupees in Amazon and in Flipkart also, but I just bought it on Zepto for around 400 rupees, and I have 150 around rupees on cash. For 250 rupees it is actually really worth, guys. So I will just give you a demo of how it sounds.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, so I had just connected my device to my laptop. As you can see, I will show you. Okay, you can see it is connected to the board Tuno. Okay, and I am playing the NCS music. I'm actually keeping my volume up, little bit up. So, as I said you earlier, it actually seems to be very small speaker, but it actually produces a really good sound, and in this price range and in this size specifically, it is a really nice good speaker to keep you with. And it actually, I usually, it actually we can keep inside a pocket also. Just okay, that's it. This is it here. Okay, so if you want to purchase this product, I will just share you the link. You can directly purchase. Okay, bye.